Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We were exploring how to tap the wells of data in Microsoft Power BI through Microsoft Power BI. And the first type of oil well we are faced with is getting data from the files. So let's see what kinds of files we face when we are sourcing data in Power BI. First of all are the flat files. Flat files are those which doesn't contain hierarchies. Okay, a flat simple structure of columns and rows. Its type is CSV file, comma separated files, delimited files, and the most common one is Microsoft Excel file with extension XLSX. Okay, so how you can import a flat file into Microsoft Power BI. So Power BI gives you a wonderful feature. Get a new file. Okay, that was used. The wonderful feature that Microsoft offers is that in the first glance it gives you the option of getting the data, and the first option naturally is getting it from an Excel workbook because it is the most common way people choose to import their data. You get to the file destination and import it, load it, and hooray, you have your file loaded in Power BI. But beware, this isn't the actual file. When you see the data here, you are not getting the actual file loaded inside here. Microsoft Power BI has made a semantic model like this based on these files, on the data in these files. Okay, there are three worksheets here, and those semantics models have been filled with data, and that data is being reflected. Okay, so when you are importing from a local machine, the file is not being connected. The data of that file is being pushed into Power BI. So if that data is loaded and changed afterwards in that original file in your local machine, that change will not be reflected in this Power BI data models. Okay, if I press this load button, the data will be loaded. So in order to make my data reflectable to changes, I can select a workbook, Excel workbook, which is situated in OneDrive. Okay, when I have a OneDrive account, I change the Microsoft Excel file, that changes are going to be informed in cloud. Okay, and Microsoft Power BI as it will automatically detect those changes and will reflect it throughout the data pipeline in the modeling, in the visualization, in the distribution. Till the end of pipeline, it will reflect those changes. So the best option that Microsoft offers is that you load your flat files in OneDrive and then connect it with Power BI. Okay, so here we are doing so. Our data has been loaded. We have three worksheets. We are selecting all these three worksheets, all these three data models or tables, you say, and load it. And hooray, we have three data tables inside Power BI from a flat file in the most simplest of way. It will take a bit of time. Oh, and here we have our data loaded into this. So this is the canvas. Our data, we can, if you want to see it, we can see it from here. All of these three worksheets have been loaded in this table view And if you want to see the model, that the semantic model that has been generated by Power BI on this data, it is here. So each of the worksheet is like a card, and in each column of that card, each row is a column inside which is a whole lot of data. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next lesson where we are going to dive into exploring how to get data from a relational data source. Thank you.